How to create Amazon account without phone number. So if you've been wanting to sign up but prefer not to share your phone details, then this guide is for you. First, you need to open up your browser and go to the Amazon.com website. Now on the home page, you need to look for the top right and then click on Hello Sign In, which will be in the top right. Once you find the Hello Sign In section, you'll get this kind of interface. Under the sign in box, you need to select Start Here for the new customers. This takes you to the account creation page. So instead of entering a phone number, you'll use your email address and password. So enter your email address and then go with continue and then click on proceed to create an account. Now it will take you to this kind of interface, which is create account section. You need to enter your email address and then enter your first and last name and then the password and re-enter your password. After entering your password, you need to click on verify email. Make sure to create a strong password and make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. Once you click on verify email, Amazon will send you a verification code to the email address that you've provided. So you need to check your inbox and then copy that code and paste it back into the registration page. Once verified, you need to click on create Amazon account, which will be on the bottom, and follow any final prompts, and that's it. You've successfully set up your Amazon account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.